Welcome to my first PR haul since moving into this house. Hey! We have 3 separate piles, so that means there's gonna be 3 different videos that are 3 minutes long. Pile number 1 for today, pile number 2 for tomorrow, pile number 3 for Wednesday. I know this is so much stuff, so I will be giving a lot of it away to you guys. Stay tuned for that this week. Gosh, here we go, okay. Charlotte Tilbury first. There's a bunch in here. This palette is stunning. Mascara, lip oil, some eyeshadows. Charlotte Tilbury makeup is unmatched. Drunk Elephant next because this is huge. Oh my gosh. Let's open this. Freaking pickleball. Me and Brayden talk about pickleball all the time. And they sent this serum, this one, and their facial oil. Drunk Elephant, I love you so much. Let's do Tree Hut next. It's their Moonlight Glow Scent. It smells so good. They sent the whole entire line. Tree Hut, I love you as always. Wait, and there's little crystals to go with the theme. This is so cute. Next, we have Revlon. Look at this little bag. Got eyeliner, mascara, lip product, eyeshadow. Thank you so much, Revlon. Revlon again. Oh, Revlon sunglasses. More makeup from them. Also from them. Oh my god. I literally use this and they sent me the lip liners from them I use. So much makeup. Revlon, you're amazing. Next is from Bondi Sands. Oh, literally make your own self-tan based on your skin tone. This is so cool. I literally used their self-tanner for Nashville, so this is awesome. This is from Beauty Blender. They sent me their new sponge. I love this. Thank you so much. Grande Cosmetics next. It's literally rhinestone. It's their lash serum and look at all the diamonds on it. Thank you so much, Grande Cosmetics. This is from Supergoop. All their sunscreens, glow stick, their lotion. These are like their best products, so I'm so excited. Thank you, Supergoop. Let's do Day Hair next. Oh, these clips are like jumbo and they're rubber, so I love that. We have heat protectant mist and this heat mat to put like your styling stuff on. Oh my god. For shine treatment. 4 clips but the alligator style. Your hairpin. Day Hair, I love you so much. Thank you. We have the Kitsch Barbie collection. This is adorable. Satin Barbie pillowcases. List curls. Look at this bedazzled hair clip. And more hair accessories. Literally killed this collection. Thank you so much. Now Morphe sent their new setting spray and I literally used the original one, so I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Frontier Airlines sent me a package. They put my face on this. So many gift cards to fly with them and a bunch of their merch. This is so funny. Thank you. And they wrote me a note. Next, we have Casetify. Always so cute. They sent me this case with my name on it. And then this blue one is stunning. I'm due for a new phone case, so thank you, Casetify. All of these are from Conair. Oh my gosh, yes, more of their hot rollers. This steamer, which I literally was about to go buy one of these. And the hair bedazzler, which literally reminds me of my childhood. Thank you, Conair. Love you like always. Now we have Fruit of the Loom, and me and Brayden love this brand. It is so heavy. Congrats on graduation in your new home. Are you kidding me? It's oversized crew neck, matching pants for a matching set. They sent a pink one, a green one, a navy one for Brayden. This for Brayden, matching pants for Brayden, t-shirt for Brayden, t-shirt for me, 4 colors of their sleeping shorts for me, boxers for Brayden, and more for Brayden. Thank you, Fruit of the Loom. We literally love you. Next is Amino Lean, the new flavor of their pre-workout powder. There's so much fun stuff to fit the theme. Love you, Amino Lean. Next is from Luxe Unfiltered. I love their tanning stuff. Their gradual tan is my favorite, but they sent me so much more. Body cream, the brush, bronzing drops, lip stuff. Wow, thank you so much. Next is from Sammy Ryan. A matching set. Here is the hoodie. Oh my god. Matching sweatpants and they flare. Cold season is coming and I love like the material of this. I will be wearing this so much. Next is Sunkissed by Sadie. I literally love her. She came out with her own self-tan line, which first of all, slay. Note, Sadie, I literally love you. I can't wait to try this. I already know it's gonna be so bomb. Last one of pile number 1 is from the Smooth Company. This is what I use on the daily to slick my hair back. I literally used it today. They always send me little refills. I love you guys so much. Thank you. All right, all of pile 1 is unboxed. Just everything laid out. This is actually crazy. I am so excited to give some of this back to you guys though. I hope you guys enjoyed pile 1 for the PR haul series. Stay tuned for pile number 2 tomorrow and pile number 3 on Wednesday. See you guys, bye.